Hello guys, this is Tariq and today we are going to learn Urdu accent and pronunciation. So today I am going to teach you I don't understand. For male, if you are male, so you have to say like this. If you are female, you don't need to say like this, okay? So this is for male, okay? I don't understand how to say in Urdu. मैं समझा नहीं. मैं समझा नहीं. मैं समझा नहीं. मैं समझा नहीं. And the second way to say I don't understand in Urdu for male, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. Let me repeat one more time. The first one, MAIN, मैं समझा, SAMJHA, समझा, नहीं, NEHI, नहीं. Now I'm going to read in original Urdu. मैं, how to say in original Urdu, मीम छोटी ये नून गुन्ना. मैं समझा, सीन मीम जीम हे अलिफ, समझा, समझा, नहीं, नून हे ये नून गुन्ना, नहीं, नून हे ये नून गुन्ना, नहीं, मैं समझा नहीं. And the second one, look at the second one, मुझे, MAJHEY, मुझे, समझ, SAMJH, समझ, नहीं, NEHI, नहीं, आया, AYA, आया, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. Now look at the last Urdu in original Urdu. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. How to pronounce word to word. मुझे, मीम जीम दो चश्मी है बड़ी ये, मुझे, मुझे, समझ, सीन मीम जीम दो चश्मी है, समझ, नहीं, नून है ये नून गुन्ना, नहीं, आया, अलिफ मद्दा ये अलिफ, आया, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. This is for male. Now I'm going to pronounce for female. It's time for female. Please, this is only for female. Please, if you are male, don't read after me because you are not female, okay? So if your gender is female, so you can repeat after me, okay? So I don't understand in how to say in Urdu for female. First, मैं समझी नहीं. मैं समझी नहीं. MAIN, मैं, समझी, SAMJHI, समझी, नहीं, NEHI, नहीं, मैं समझी नहीं. Look at the original Urdu. The first one, मैं, मीम ये नून गुन्ना, मीम ये नून गुन्ना, मैं, don't say may, मैं समझी, सीन मीम जीम दो चश्मी है छोटी ये, समझी समझी ओके। नहीं, नून है ये नून गुन्ना नहीं, मैं समझी नहीं। This is the first one for female. The last one, मुझे, before I taught you, मैं समझा नहीं. Here is the difference between समझा for boys and समझी for girls. Okay, G for girls, ja for boys. Ja, समझा, it's for boys. समझी it's for girl. Just like this, the second one, the whole sentence is same, only the last one is different. Like for boys aya, for girls आई. Okay, so let me repeat for you. मुझे समझ नहीं आई, the for boys aya. If you are a boy, you have to say aya. If you are a girl, you have to say आई. Okay, so मुझे समझ नहीं आई, MAJHEY, मुझे, समझ, SAMJH, समझ, नहीं, NEHI, नहीं, I, it's just like you know, eyes. Okay, don't I. Okay, so मुझे समझ नहीं आई. Okay, so just let me repeat original Urdu. Let me read original one, the last one. मुझे, मीम जीम दो चश्मी है बड़ी ये, मुझे समझ, सीन मीम जीम दो चश्मी है समझ नहीं, नून है ये नून गुन्ना नहीं, आई अलिफ मद्दा हमज़ा छोटी ये, आई मुझे समझ नहीं आई. So I hope you have learned this lesson. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me anytime, and you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will reply you, I will tell you, I will help you. And if you want to learn Urdu online, so I also teach you Urdu online in affordable price. I can teach you Urdu in 6 months, and this is basic Urdu speaking course for everyone. I will teach you how to understand and how to speak. In 6 months I will make you speak. Okay, so if you want to learn Urdu online through WhatsApp or Skype or on Facebook, you have to pay some money and I will teach you. And if you don't have money, you can learn through videos. I will help you here also at free of cost. Okay, so don't worry about this and pray for me, and please do practice. Without practice you are not able to speak Urdu. Okay, so please, tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, take care.